Hey, what's up YouTube? So I've just bought the dBrand Camo skin for my Galaxy S9 Plus, and I'm just going to be showing you a quick tutorial on me installing this onto my phone and show you guys how you can do that. So if you've bought this, go and grab it. You can follow along with this tutorial. One thing you need to do is bring a hairdryer with you. So pause the video and come back with a hairdryer and let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so let's get started. Let's open up the package. So mine comes with the back skin, the camera skin, and also the front, top and bottom skins as well. So let's go ahead and see how we can do that. Make sure it's fully clean. The first thing we're going to do is put the camera skin on. Make sure you follow it in the direction of the arrow. They provide two as well in case you mess up the first time. And then you press it down. Next, you grab the back skin and you peel it from the top. And do it about halfway, don't go all the way, and then from the back, just fold it so it stays quite tight. And we're going to do the top half first, so keep it like this. So make sure you get close, make sure everything is wiped, and then you line it up along the top edges first. There we go. Then make sure you apply some pressure to the bit that's not still waiting to be stuck down. Now this next part is a little bit tricky. You take this whole paper off, just hold the back there and put it down inside like this. So then you turn the phone over and then you make sure you align the bottom of the skin first, so the middle half would still be exposed. So you can see I've gone a little bit too far to the left. I'm going to be pushing it back towards the right again. So that's what this is for, so you can easily take it off. Now that seems more in place. So I'm just going to press it tight along the top there. And then I'm going to wrap around the bottom corners here. So just to make sure that both sides are even. You can see it's pretty much equal on both sides. So once you're happy with that, you can take out the paper in the middle and then smooth out the rest of it. So I'll go ahead and do that. And then I'll smooth out the rest of the skin. Once you've smoothed it out like this, you're going to need your hairdryer. Now just heat up one side of the phone to wrap the skin around the edges, so I'll do that quickly. Make sure you don't do it for too long, otherwise you don't want to overheat your phone. And then you just wrap around the edges here. And then you repeat on the other side. And then make sure you do the top and bottom as well. Lastly, grab the cloth, just smooth down the edges about 10 times on each side. This should allow it to make it feel like it's part of the phone now, and it doesn't come back up when you're putting your phone in your pocket and that kind of stuff. Now lastly, for the top and bottom on the front side, make sure you use the cloth to make sure it's clean, there's no dust. So I'll start with the top first. They give you 3 in case you mess it up many times. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this along the top camera. you go. It hangs out a little bit on the edges, so get your hairdryer again. Just heat up the edge and then just press it down along the side there. Again on the other side. And sometimes it's good to check to see if the camera is working by taking a selfie picture to see if the camera's not blocked in any way. Finally, the bottom half, same procedure. Put it on, heat sides and press it down, but make sure it's clean first as well. And there you have it guys, so one final clean with the cloth. Make sure everything is smooth. Okay guys, so there you have it. That's the camo skin from dBrand. Let me know what you guys think. I'll leave a link in the description below. I hope the tutorial was useful for you guys. If you do have any comments, let me know. I think you could still add a case on there, a clear case, and you'll still be able to see the good skin. You'd also be able to add a screen protector as well, and it wouldn't cause too much of a problem covering the bottom and top skins here. But try it out, let me know what you guys think, and I hope you liked it. Please do subscribe. I'm going to be taking a lot of pictures with my new S9 Plus, and I'm going to be uploading to my new Instagram page. Please do check it out and follow me at Trending Reviews, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.